Pansit, pansit. Thank you, Mrs. Kandaki. Thank you. Wow. MK. Thank you. I love it. May card pa. Mo share. Thank you. Love you mo share. Merry Christmas, my friend. Uy, may $10 pa. Oh my God. Hope you're grateful that you came into my life. Thank you for the friendship. It my up and down. There's you always there. Basta kaya natin ito. Labanan lang. For I can do everything through Christ Jesus, who gives me strength. Love you. This year 26 become rich. Claim it, and we can have it. My Mushit, your friendships have been a welcome gift in my life. Now during this special time of the year, I want to wish you every happiness this season has to offer. And always the love one friend can send to another. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ayan. Mushit. Love you, Mushit.